Hi there, students. To coruscate. To coruscate. Okay, a verb. I guess coruscation, the noun. I think probably more usually uncountable. Coruscating as well, I guess, as an adjective. Yeah, as an adjective. Notice to coruscate also, it's an intransitive verb. It means to reflect light in flashes, to sparkle, to give off light, to gleam, to glimmer. Yeah. The coruscating light of the aurora borealis, the diamond coruscated in my hand. It glittered, it glistened, it scintillated, it shone, it sparkled. Yeah, the stars were coruscating in the sky. Okay, so to coruscate, this is talking about giving flashes of light. Yeah. I could see the candlelight coruscating in the other room. And then you can use this metaphorically to talk about somebody who is really brilliant, who is showing incredible technique or style, flashes of incredible style, of incredible virtuosity. So the sounds of the guitarist coruscated through the room. Okay, so to coruscate, yeah, to be very, very, very good. Yeah, his brilliance coruscated through the group. Yeah, so it's a brilliant technique, brilliant in style. Um, I would guess Messi coruscates among other football players. Yeah, he has a really, really excellent style. He shows flashes of genius. Okay, so the first basic meaning is to shimmer with light. A shimmering light, a coruscating light. It's something that is glittering. Yeah, it's something that's that's shining, that's giving off light. So I hope the my teaching style coruscates through this video. Yeah, I hope it coruscates and manages um, to animate you, to encourage you to keep on with your English, because it's a long thing learning English. So to coruscate, to flash, to glimmer, to glisten, to glister, to scintillate, to spangle, to sparkle, to twinkle, to glister. Okay, the sun coruscated off the lake. The moon coruscated off the river. Okay, so it shone, it reflected, the light was reflected. Yeah, and the uh, um, the uh, the genius of the inventor coruscated through society. Okay, so it ran through society. It's like a flash of brilliance. Okay, this is a pretty formal literary word. I think I'm probably going to give this 7.5 or 8 in formality. I think you might find a lot of native speakers don't actually know this word. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, from corusco, I flash, a flashing light. Yeah, something that's flashing on and off. So it's kept the meaning. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Coruscate, coruscation.